Hello Sudoku friends, welcome today in the additional with extra Sudokus of today's newspaper on Saturday August the 22nd 2020. We have here Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars, a binary and a tectonic, total of 6 extra Sudokus. And the first one is a Sudoku with a 1 star, and this Sudoku will be number 1390. 1390, and what I always count the printed numbers, digits, so you have a kind of indication the difficulty level. The 1 star has always 27 printed numbers, but let me check this if this is correct. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6, plus 6 is equal to 12, plus 3 is 15, plus 3 is 18, plus 3 is 21, plus 2 is 23, plus 2 is 25, plus 2 is 27, as expected. Alright, so let's get started. Alright. Let me see. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those numbers are the 1, the 3, and the 7. We see here 1 and the 3. So no 1 and a 3 in this box. The 1 and the 3 goes in these 2 boxes. Let me mark them. 1 digit left should be the 7. Then 6 in this row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. And then 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So in the middle row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in the first row, 5 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. And all the 5s are used, I can see. Digit number 1. How about the 8 in this column, 8 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 8. Let me see with the two numbers left in this row for the numbers 9 and 2. Let me mark them for you. It's a pair. This is also a pair, the 1 and the 3. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. So we have a pair here, here also a pair. So these 2 numbers should be in this second row, the 4 and the 4 and the 2. 4 and the 2. 2 or the 4. 2 and the 4. these three numbers, 7, 8, and 9. 1 in this column, 1 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place for the 1 should be there. Yeah, so here we have in this big square 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, no 1 in these 3 boxes. The 1 in one of those 2 boxes we have, so no 1 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 3 missing numbers, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7 in this big square, so we have a 7 there. No 7 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 1, 2, 3 is missing. We have 3 in this column, so the 3 should be in one of these 2 boxes. So we have a 3 in this row, 3 in that row, so in the middle row the only place for the 3 should be there. 3, 9 is missing. We see here 9, no 9 there, here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. The 3 and the 6 are missing. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. The 3 goes there. 1 box left in this column for the number 6 is missing. These 2 should be the 1 and the 7. Let me mark them for you. 1 and a 7. 2, 3, and a 4 is missing. Yes, 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 2 and 4. Cannot fill this yet, but we have a 3 here, so this box cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3 and this should be the 1. We have a 1 now, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1 and this should be the 3. 3 boxes left in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Now we have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2 and this should be the 9. 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here. The 1 goes there. 2 boxes left, the 4 and the 2 are missing. I cannot fill this yet. I mark them for you. These 2 boxes are left for the 1 and the 7. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 7 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 1 should be here. I've eliminated the 7, so the 7 goes there. Then 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 7 and 6. Let me mark them, 7 and 6. 1 box left in this row for the number 4. Now we have a 4 here, so this cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be the 4 and this should be the 2. 7, 8, and 9. 7, 8, and 9. Right. These 3 numbers, 2, 8, and 9. We see here a 9 and a 2. So no 9 and a 2 in this box. The 2 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes. 1 digit left should be the 8. So here we have the 6 and the 7. We have a 6 here. So no in this big square. So no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 7 goes in there. 1 box left in this column for the number 7. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 9. 8 and 9. Then 9 in this this color row, 9 in the last row, so the row between, the only place for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 6. We have a 6 here, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in that row, so the row between, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. Then 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these 3 boxes. There 3, no 3 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this color row, 3 in the last row, so in the row between, the only place for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 4. Let me mark them. 2 and the 4. We have a 2 and a 4 here as a pair. That means 1 digit left for the number 8. 8 is missing. 2 and the 4 are left. 2 and the 4. Let me mark them. 2 and the 4. 2 and 4, and the 7 is missing here. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 2 and 4, 2 and 4, 2 and 4, 2 and 4, 2 and 4. We have a 4 here, so no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. We have a 2 here, so this should be a 4, and this should be a 2. We have a 2 here, so this should be the 4. With a 4 here, this should be a 2. We have a 2 here, so this should be a 9. And this should be a 2. We have a 9 here, so this can't be a 9 anymore. This should be the 9. And this should be the 8. Finished in 12 minutes exactly. Wow. I'm very impressed. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit that bell button if you want to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. See you soon in a minute with the second Sudoku, a 2-star Sudoku. Bye bye for now. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Bye bye.